Is it safe to eat too much of tomatoes during pregnancy? It can be used in salads. Many of the Indian curries already incorporate tomatoes and tomato purees. Tomato soup is a healthy and yummy midday meal. Tomato juice, without filtering, can also be a great choice to reduce dullness. Slices of tomatoes can be kept inside a sandwich. Homemade ketchups are another great idea. Avoid store-bought ones, as they contain too much sugar and sodium. We also add tomatoes to some of our breakfast delicacies like upma and chutneys. Even in continental recipes, it is not uncommon to see sun-dried tomatoes and grilled tomatoes. Tomatoes may be part of a pregnancy diet. It's not only safe to eat them during pregnancy, tomatoes help the mother-to-be and the fetus to keep strong health and protect them against a number of malaces. Though consuming tomatoes is healthy for all people and in particular for expecting mothers, eating too many tomatoes can be risky. Right amount of tomatoes keeps one healthy and provides a balanced diet, but eating more tomatoes can lead to some harmful consequences. Overeating tomatoes during pregnancy can trigger heartburn as they contain acid. Taking too many tomatoes may lead to digestion problems, stomach pains and gas. Pregnancy diet with excess tomatoes may be the reason of mild discoloration of both the expecting mother and the fetus.